fishing.
Well, that sounds like fun, assistant. I was just here to play with Waggles.
I'm here with Cruella DeVille and Krusty DeVille.
We're gonna build spooky Halloween gingerbread houses.
I just want to eat some. So, can I? We're building them? I thought it was an eating
We're
contest.
decorating them to make them look super
But what are we going to decorate them with?
We're gonna decorate them with all of the fun ingredients.
Can I put Waggles on mine? I'm just going to put him right on top of it, right?
You can put them on mine, Krusty.
No, Cruella, I know what you're like with those doggies.
Oh, stop it.
Alright, I'm gonna go first.
All right, Cruella likes to use doggies for other things. I just like doggies. I never put them down. Come on, Waggles, I'm never going to put you
Alright,
down.
I'm gonna go first.
But I'm never going to put Waggles down.
I choose this gingerbread house.
No, Cruella, you can't get Waggles. Oh, what do you?
I choose this one.
Okay, so you're choosing that one, huh?
Yep. Alright.
All right, so how are you going to decorate it, assistant?
So, I've got this green stuff here.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna put it down here to make it look like grass.
Why don't you decorate it up here where it's a little easier to see it?
Up here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna put some grass down.
Okay. Now, Cruella, you can probably start decorating yours too.
Oh, okay, Krusty, okay.
Okay, I decorated the grass, got some on the door. Huh. Now I'm gonna create like a graveyard scene.
Oh,
So
good.
this is gonna become like a ghost.
Ooh, it's a donut.
Ghost.
Well, I need to go ahead, and this means business, so the gloves are coming off.
Oh, okay.
I'm putting some grass on the house.
Oh, like it's overgrown, huh?
Yeah.
Like it. I'm coming over with the
Okay,
green as
well-
well.
I'm just gonna put some of this down here.
All right, so you're doing that.
Now I need to find some eyeballs.
You're fun eyeball. So I think I want to decorate mine too. I've got these little pumpkins right here that I'm on to. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. What do you think I should do with them, people?
Pumpkins?
Pumpkins. Ooh.
I'm going to put one on Cruella's head.
No,
I'm going to
thank
put
you.
one on Mrs. Okay. Oh, it fell.
Oh, goodness. I think I'm going to go ahead and grab some of these magic hands to put on mine. Some eyeballs, perhaps. And we have a huge jar of lots of fun things I think I'm going to make a fence out of.
I got some fondant here.
Ooh, fondant.
I'm gonna make something out of it.
Oh, you're going to make something out of it, huh?
Yeah, see look, there's my monster.
Ooh, look at that, people at home. Wow. That's really good, assistant.
Thanks.
Ooh, Cruella.
Well,
Very good. And look at mine.
wah, wah, wah.
Mine's awesome. I got 2 pumpkins in front so I can get trick-or-treaters.
Oh, what should we do with the fondant, you ask?
Oh, you have fondant too?
Oh, you bet I do. And I'm gonna squish it in my hand. Squish it, squish it, squish it. And
Squish,
now
squish,
we have.
I don't know what to do with my fondant.
Well, I think I'm gonna use the green like blue, and it's just gonna like, you know, stay there, and it's kind of like the mouth. Does that look like a fun design, or does that look like a fun design?
Okay, so now you tell me what you're doing.
I'm making gravestone.
Ooh.
So, I have the little gravestone here,
Okay.
and I gotta write something on it. What should I write?
Why don't you have it as a surprise for us?
I'll write hi. Oh, you didn't hear that. It's definitely not hi.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty, now I just gotta stick it to the ground. Just like that.
All right.
And I made another little dude.
Oh, you did. You made another little eyeball, right?
Oh,
Where are you gonna put that at?
on my house. The powdered sugar's making it not stick.
Ooh.
I think I gotta stick it to the ground and then put it on.
Okay.
So I get good at that. Like that. And then, oh no, the eyeball fell out. Then I go like, boom.
Good job. While you're finishing that, we'll see what Cruella DeVille's doing, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Cruella, what are you doing now?
I am going to put the final touches, and it needs a pop of red, just like my gloves. So I'm going to put red all down here. Do you like the red?
I think they call that color green.
Oh, you think that's green?
I would think that a top-notch fashion designer like you. Oh.
And here we go.
Those are fingers, though, aren't they?
They are fingers. Don't they look fabulous? I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Ah, that's fantastic. Ooh, up, big, small, big. And then I'll put it right down here to put there. What do you think? Do we think we're done?
I think you got a lot more to do if you're going to catch the assistant.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, his eyebrow's falling.
This is what I call...
Fire!
No, this is what I was looking for. It's like very authentic. It's moving. It's making its own little thing. It's perfect.
I don't know.
Perfect. You know what I mean? Just put a little bit more right here. Oh.
All right, I'm gonna work on mine now. Okay.
Okay.
So there's mine right here. You guys work on yours. Let's see. I've got an eyeball right here. I think I'm gonna put a little of this stuff on it. Mine's giving you the side eye, just like Waggles, because he's my favorite dog.
Would you say Waggles? Ooh.
So there's a side eye. Ooh, look, here's a little bat. Little bat. Should I do another bat? Ooh, this is an orange bat right here. See that? That's an orange bat. And we got more pumpkins. You know, we're gonna be silly and we're gonna put a pumpkin on the roof. I've always wanted to have pumpkins on my roof. I like that word, roof. I sound like a doggy. Roof, roof, roof.
Did you say doggy?
How does that look?
Perfecto.
I'm thinking, Krusty, we need a little bit more.
Oh, we're gonna put more. So yours is right. Oh, you took the red off, and then the assistant's still working on her.
It spoke for itself.
Oh.
Self-expression.
And then there's the assistant.
I'm working on something right now.
All right, we'll check back in a few minutes, okay?
Okay. Here is my Halloween gingerbread house.
Ooh, show me what you did, assistant.
So I have various tombstones placed around. I also have some ghost dudes right here. And then back here I have a little graveyard.
Ooh, you do have a little graveyard back there.
This is my tombstone that says hi. And then as you can notice, around the whole house are broken candy corns and broken pumpkins.
Ooh.
I did that on purpose.
So that is a Halloween spectacular.
On the roof, it's like covered with fingers.
Oh yeah, you put all those fingers on the roof.
And a hand going for the pumpkin.
So the hands are trying to reach the pumpkins up there?
Yeah.
What do the fingers symbolize on the roof?
The fingers symbolize the roof.
They symbolize the roof.
Yeah.
And then you've got a little pumpkin in front of the door. And
That broken stuff, pumpkins. Yep.
very cool. Okay, up next is Cruella DeVille.
Cruella DeVille made a house that is authentic. It was speaking to itself. As you can see, the house in and of itself is the Halloween monster. So we have some gooey fingers, and look at the slime coming down with the.
Ooh,
Now-
green slime on the roof. Huh?
Now we have a faux hawk up top, meaning some of it kind of fell down. Some fell
What was
down.
that that you just said? I couldn't hear
Yeah,
it.
some-
You kind of faded with your-
Okay. Some of them fell down. But that's part of the wonderful house at this monster Halloween.
So you're saying there was a default in you building? I think you guys should vote for mine.
So who do you think has a better one so far? The assistant or Cruella?
Cruella!
I don't know. Well, here's my house, right here. So here is my house. First of all, Waggles wants to come and visit my Halloween house. Right, Waggles? Probably. Alright, so here you've got the two little hands coming out. They're looking to try to get those pumpkins because those pumpkins haven't been carved yet. And those hands, well, they want to carve the pumpkins, right, assistant?
Right.
And then you've got all the little stuff on the ground, and you've got a candy corn fence. But
Here's-
on this side, something happened and it caused the candy corn fence to fall over.
But the thing is we're supposed to decorate the house, and you only really decorate the front of the house.
No, I decorated the side of it too. Look, just like Waggles, it has like little side eyes. Right, Waggles? And it's got a finger on the roof, which symbolizes a finger on the roof instead of a fiddler on the roof. And look at that, a not so spooky ghost. It's a happy ghost, along with these bats that are crawling.
Where's-
This thing, which I don't even know what it is.
That looks like a witch's eye.
Oh, and then I got three more bats, an eye, and look, I even have a little silly sign up front. So that is my Halloween gingerbread house. So let's go back to the assistants. Do you like her gingerbread house?
More.
What is your favorite feature?
My favorite feature is the little donut dudes.
Those are pretty good. Okay, and here's Cruella's. What's your favorite feature?
The slime oozing down the front.
Oh, the slime. And my favorite feature is the eyeball on the door. That means it's like a ring. It knows who's coming, right?
Right. I have an eyeball on my door, but it fell.
I have two.
Mine symbolizes a broken house.
Mine, the house is alive.
So we have 3 houses and 3 people.
Get behind your house.
Yeah, you gotta get behind your house. So who do you think is better? My little...
I think mine is the best for being decorated.
Mine is the best.
I think mine's the best. And we also have much this. Do you like teeter-totters? Maybe I should put that behind mine.
I have a pumpkin. I have a real pumpkin.
Ready?
I have a real pumpkin.
You like that?
Yeah, I have a real
I
pumpkin.
made that out of a gingerbread too.
Really?
I don't think about. I don't know. I don't know.
And then sometimes I like to put these little eyes, like right here. I like
Now
to put
you're
them-
just adding stuff.
Now I can put them in front of my eyes like this. Do you see me? Do you see me? Hi everybody, can you see me?
Oh.
How do I look? They're fun.
Fun.
Oh, you had them too. Alright, so what should the people at home do now?
They should like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also make sure to follow us on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and iTunes.
And don't forget, we got another channel called TEF Kids, right?
Hey, kids!
Right.
You should check that out. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Can you guys go up and down again? There you are. Bye, everyone.
Best house, best house.